Hi friends, welcome back to the ASK tutorial. In this video, we will be see about the pathological calcification. This video will be more helpful for the BPT students. It will be more than enough for a BPT student to write in their exams. In exam point of view, this video will be more grateful. Calcification is the abnormal deposition of the calcium salts, okay, other than the bone and the enamel of the teeth. From the name itself we can know calcium, so it will be useful to understand. Calcium means calcium, so deposition of calcium salt. There will be a small amount of deposition of iron, magnesium and other minerals also. There are two pathological classification, that is the dystrophic calcification and the metastatic calcification. So dystrophic is a deposition of calcium on dead tissue or a dying tissue. Metastatic means deposition on a normal tissue, that is in a living tissue. You can remember this easily as the name dystrophic start from D, so which means dead or dying. Metastatic calcification is associated with hypercalcemia, the dearranged calcium metabolism due to metabolism change. So, what are the causes of the dystrophic calcification? That is the necrotic tissues. So, in necrotic, mainly in caseous necrosis and fat necrosis, we can find the calcification, and in degenerating tissues like in heart valves, the dying or aging heart valves, and in also atherosclerosis we can find the dystrophic calcification. Monk medial calcific sclerosis, which means calcification will take place in the muscle arteries, mainly in older people. What is psammoma bodies? In a single necrotic cell, there will be a several layer of deposition of minerals. Okay, and they create in a laminated shape, and this is called as psammoma bodies. Causes of the metastatic calcification. First is the increased secretion of the parathyroid hormone. PTH means parathyroid hormone, which causes the subsequent bone resorption, hyperparathyroidism. Okay, then the destructions of the bone tissue secondary to primary tumors, and vitamin D related disorder. Failure. Due to renal failure, the phosphate retention occurs, which leads to secondary hyperthyroidism. Other causes are the sarcoidosis and the milk alkali syndrome. Sarcoidosis is the growth of tiny inflammatory cells. Milk alkali syndrome, the blood calcium level will be high due to high calcium intake and alcohol. The site where the metastatic calcification is commonly seen in lungs, in alveolar septa, in kidney, basement membrane of renal tubules, in blood vessels, systemic arteries and veins, pulmonary vein, in stomach. We see it in the intestinal tissue of the gastric mucosa. So we'll see again what we saw in this video. What is calcification? Abnormal deposition of calcium in tissue. Then two types, dystrophic, metastatic. Dystrophic means deposition in dead or dying tissue. Metastatic calcification means deposition of calcium in normal tissue. Okay, then the causes. In dystrophic, dead means so mainly necrotic tissue. Dying, that we refer to as degenerating tissue. Then we have mainly the psammoma bodies. Okay, the causes of the metastatic calcification is mainly due to metabolic changes, calcium metabolic changes, increased parathyroid hormone, renal failures, and the destruction of bone tissue, vitamin D disorders. Then the site where the metastatic calcification occurs commonly. Thank you for watching my video. Click on the like button and do subscribe to my channel.